Hello, and this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and today I'm going to give you a quick first look and unboxing of the just released Instax Mini LiPlay from FUJIFILM, which is a hybrid instant camera. We've also got 2 packets of film as well. So this is probably one of my first cameras, as I've always shot everything on smartphones. So I'm looking forward to using this and seeing what it's like. So this is just the presentation here, and we've elegant black, and that's it. So let's check it out. First of all, we'll actually go through this here because it's interesting stuff. So you've got an LCD screen, so you can check your picture before you snap. You've direct print. You can turn your camera into a printer, send any shot from your phone, and you can print. So if you have a nice picture on your smartphone even, you can send it onto this and print them out on one of these. Another great idea as well. You've got sound, and this is actually another great idea too. So you can add sound to your memories with record and convert it to QR feature. So your photograph will come out with a QR code, and you scan it with your phone, and then you'll be able to listen to the message, which is excellent. You have images and filters, so the usual there. Remote shooting, so you can use your phone to remotely shoot, which is cool. And you can create a shortcut, and you can pick frames and access them with instant 3 shortcut buttons. Now, on to the product. So first of all, we get this via lanyard strap here, our charging cable here, which is micro USB. So there is the app which you'll download, but we'll check all that out later on and show you in the full review. And the usual books and stuff, and then the camera itself. So it's a nice 2-tone camera, really nice looking, and the colours match up well. So you've got a speech button here, as you can see, your usual camera setup on the front, and the Instax Mini LiPlay logo there. You have your screen on the back and your charging port here, and down on the bottom this is where you put your lanyard strap if you want to use it. So you've got a film switch here, which will open up the case like so. You can hear the motor rolling there. So you've got some buttons here. You've got a menu button, a back button, play, and probably a film button there. I'm not quite sure yet till I check it out. You can stick an SD card in there by the looks of that, yeah. And on top then you have your power button. You have 1, 2 and 3. So just turn around and see if there's any power. And there we go. So you have your menu to go through and set up, and the battery is pretty much dead in this at the minute, but that's what you're looking at there. And just to see what it looks like here. So that's what you're looking at there. So yeah, pretty nice, really nice finish on it as well. It's not a fingerprint magnet, and very durable by the looks of it. And we'll go through all the menu and the app and all in the review. So the pictures will presumably come out there. As I said, this is my first proper camera, but I'd imagine they'll come out there. And that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for a review soon at techbuzzireland.com, and watch out on the blog for more posts on the Instax Mini. And by the way, you must check out these cartridges here. So you have a pack like so. And that's what it looks like there for anyone that wants to know. This will just slot into the back of the camera, as you see in there, and off you go. See you in the next one.